Now we can discuss about online business opportunities part 5. Airbnb. What is that? We can discuss now. If you have an extra room, casita or property, you can use it to earn money when you sign up as an BNB host. You can list your space for free and Airbnb does all the heavy lifting for you, making it easy to attract and host travelers. You can change you can charge what you want and Airbnb even protects you from property damage with accident insurance. Although travel has decreased, Airbnb has outperformed hotels as a safer and more socially distant option for accommodations abroad. This is the information I want to share with you. This is also a very good service. Wishing you all the best.